Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Ajmera named as Van, located bang near to Versova metro station, 7 Bungalows, Versova, Andheri. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see the project is located bang on near to Versova metro station. You can have a look at the main road. This is JP Road. And in this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking of the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 1.35 acres that will have one tower with 2 wings of ground plus 23 floors, having premium and luxurious 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located bang on JP Road, right in front of Versova metro station, from where you have Versova Beach at a distance of 2 minutes, Kokla Hospital is at a distance of 3 minutes, and Infinity Mall is at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project will have 25 plus luxurious amenities including swimming pool, gym, cricket turf, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences, with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1171 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 2174 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Van by Ajmera, located bang on Versova metro station, 7 Bungalows, Andheri.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.